Good morning. Happy Saturday to the Russell 2000 daily chart. We got the rate cut. We said that small caps perform well with rate cuts. But once again, the longer term fundamentals, that's what's going to be in question. I've drawn a trend line. We got a gap off of the FOMC. We have a sell on Friday. We're at a critical level of support on the Russell 2000 index. If we break it, the Russell will sell off, come down, hit our support level, and then we'll look at buying it again. Right now, the Russell 2000 has done exactly what a rate cut should do, 50 basis points. It gapped it, it made that high, it came back up, it tested the trend line here, and we've gone straight down. Also, inquire about our 5-to-1 payout, power investing, no account setup. We carry the trade with the market maker for you. All you have to do is make your $1,000 deposit, and you can make 12 grand very easily, and you have 90 days for that expiration period. Go ahead and call us so that you can get involved in the power investing. You can't buy it over the counter. Dollars are options are dollar for dollar. In this case, power investing, you get paid 5-to-1 on your option trade. Call me today. Let's get started with you. At least you're invested in the AI story. But back to the Russell 2000, we have topped out. We hit resistance. We're going to be having a good size pullback.